Good evening, teacher and classmates. My full name is Antonio Javier Cuta Perez. I am 31 years old. I am from Sogamoso, Boyacá. Nowadays, I live with my wife and daughters in Samacá, Boyacá. Additionally, I am automotive mechanic. Currently, soy industrial engineer. My English growth is 830 reading. I want to tell you that 3 days I will trip to a very beautiful place called Montserrat in Bogota, Colombia. I will never forget that place. I will always remember that trip. Montserrat is definitely a very caption sport. You can meet different people from different countries. Ice is touristic destination. Generally, we can make activities such as flying, walking, down tennis, hiking, attending mass, etc. Finally, the day was in Montserrat. The weather was incredible. In the morning it was partly cloudy, but in the afternoon it was sunny. I also took my interest in the wonderful landscapes and the shores. I would like you to come to Bogota and visit Montserrat. I promise you will love this place. Thank you.